So you've booked a tour, you're looking forward to coming on a boat with 5 Star Marine, but you don't know what to expect? Watch this video.
I've got it.
Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine with Mr. Jay.
Go! Jay here with Mr. Shaun, and today, Shaun, I'm interviewing you.
Oh wow.
Do you know why, Shaun?
Like a UK talk show?
Yes, like a UK talk show.
Wow.
I've even got a camera just looking at your face.
Have you got like one of those off-screen lie detectors and you've been testing my blood? Like, am I going to find out I got a new kid or something?
We're not doing a Jeremy Kyle show, no.
Oh, I love that guy.
Really?
Yeah, I've watched him for years.
He did something very naughty.
I don't like him now. Yeah,
no.
Yeah,
anyway,
put him back in jail.
I'm here, Shaun, because we get asked many questions frequently.
You get asked.
No, I don't. You get asked many...
I get asked.
This is my first joke. You get asked many questions frequently. So I thought we'd do a whole video on questions that are asked frequently.
Oh yes, that's a dead joke.
Or otherwise...
Shout out to Jay's kids, we feel sorry for you.
Frequently asked questions with Shaun.
I'm the Australian guy, here's the UK guy, and we're here to tell you about your upcoming private tour with us because you've got a bunch of questions and we want you to have a great time.
So here we go.
You should watch the video in full. It's going to be less than 10 minutes. It's going to be less than 10 minutes. Edit out, take note.
Hopefully. Quick fire, here we go, Shaun. Right, question number 1. What is included on your tour?
Oh, that's good. Let's go back even further.
I knew you'd do this.
Yeah, I didn't know. You know what it is.
You do this.
Can we talk about Deadpool?
No,
we can't. I got it. I know, I can't. We're going to do a 10-minute video. So they've booked. Then maybe they've booked online, they've booked by email, they've booked by WhatsApp. They've received a confirmation email, and in the confirmation email, they've clicked a link to go to a website where they're watching this very video. Now let's get to your point.
What's included in your tour?
Good. So being a private tour, the boat is just for you. We do a private pickup from your hotel and we transfer you to the pier. At the pier, we have a light breakfast for you with donuts, fresh fruit, fresh juice, coffee.
Don't have the coffee.
It's horrible. I highly recommend you don't. You can actually ask the driver to stop at Amazon on the way. I'd do that.
No, not Amazon. 7-Eleven is much better.
Oh yeah, both are good.
Yeah.
You drink 8 coffees a morning.
No, I have.
You double fist your coffee in the morning. I've seen it.
I don't know where to go with that one.
Anyway, then on your boat, you're going to have fresh fruit, soft drink, water, your mask, your snorkels. If you're in Phang Nga Bay, you're going to have a helmet, just like Jay. Realize you didn't bring any. And you're gonna have a torch.
I'm sorry. I've got all my notes ready to
Yes.
go. Look, do you want to know what fish are out there?
On top of that, if you're in Phang Nga Bay, you've got your canoes and a paddle guide with you. What we don't include is your national park fee and your meals on tour. For the national park fee, you will pay that to the park rangers on the day. Your guide will help you about when to pay.
Or Yogi Bear.
Correct. And for lunch, our guide will help to recommend a restaurant on tour for you, or you can order a picnic lunch, and our picnic lunch menu is in the description of this video.
No, it's not.
It is now.
All right. Okay. Shaun. Question
Did I
number...
miss anything?
No,
Is that everything?
Most of it, to be fair.
Really?
There was most of it. Yeah, just
Okay.
answer the questions.
All right.
What does the boat look
You're
like?
a really horrible interviewer. I'm just letting you
I'm
know.
not. I'm a good interviewer.
You're a great
rubbish.
MC.
You're a terrible
And
guest.
a DJ.
Leave me alone!
DJ Dan. DJ Dan. Hey. Anyway, you were talking about double holding something a minute ago.
Let's move
No?
forward.
Oh yeah. Okay. What does a boat look like, Shaun? It's got a pointy bit and a flat bit.
So our boats are all private speedboats. They're all 39.9 feet. They're 2 engines. We have a whole video that goes through where Jay is featured.
Yes, I am.
Showing them the walkthrough. But just a note to yourself, there's a hidden secret in there about the bathroom. For those of you who asked, that's not the actual bathroom.
Oh no, I forgot about that
A lot
video.
of people asked me about that.
Did they really? Oh,
Yeah.
that's quite funny.
Yeah.
And it's
on
also
our feedback form, it says the bathroom's not like shown on the video.
what we could have done is what does a boat look like? We just put a picture up.
Yeah,
Done.
well, that's
there you go.
That's
Done.
the boat. But there is a whole video about it, and that is also in the description.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is now. What should you bring on board, Shaun?
Very good question. What I'm recommending is that you bring towels because we do not provide towels.
What? No 5-star towels?
But those of you who ask, your hotels, accommodation and villas, they will have beach towels, tour towels and pool towels. Just grab one of those and bring it with you.
That's right.
Sunscreen's recommended, but reef safe.
Yes, that's right.
And let's put up some reef safe sunscreen brands because a lot of people ask me about that.
Could we sell it in our shop?
On the mini mart.
Oh, you didn't know what
On
to
the
say,
mini
did you?
mart, there is Reef Safe sunscreen on
Good.
the pier available for you. If you want any drinks that we don't have on board, you can bring that yourself. But do note you can special request drinks on board. So people often ask for ginger ale or Dr. Pepper or coconuts, fresh coconuts. We can do that.
Can I just say the ginger ale we can get? Dr. Pepper is really difficult to
Yeah,
get.
yeah,
right now.
no.
I've only got one bottle left. And it's a
Most
personal
of
bottle.
the time we'll say no.
I did get some Slim Jims the other day though from
I don't
America.
even know what that is.
Oh, they're little sausage sticks from America. Really good.
Also, you're welcome to bring alcohol on board, and there is a mini mart on the pier that you can buy it at before you go on board if you don't have time. And do remember that alcohol has selling hours in 7-Elevens, so if you're thinking about picking up some alcohol on the way,
This
probably
video is
can't
meant to
do
be
it.
short, and you're just making. Why are you talking about
I
7-Eleven?
want to give everybody the
Okay, let's move
details.
on, Shaun, please.
Well, no, is that all they're going to bring?
A smile.
Sunscreen, towels,
A smile.
any snacks or drinks they'd like.
A smile.
Cash for the national park fee, because remember, national park fee is not
A
included.
smile.
Yeah, a smile. But there is a list on this webpage as well. Scroll up or down, I'm not certain.
On the description, you mean?
No, in the actual webpage, the FAQs webpage.
Okay. Well, why are we doing this video if there's a web? We could have just told go to the webpage for all the FAQs.
Yeah, but
Would that have been easier?
people
Okay,
they can
Shaun.
listen to us in their car while they're driving.
Next question. What is excluded?
National park fees and lunch are excluded.
Okay, good. How do I pay my national park fee?
Very good question. Your guide on board will help you. Just note that the national parks only accept cash, so if you don't have cash, you should do a credit card transaction at our office, and then we'll give cash to our guide. We'll pay for you on tour. And as a note, if your tour goes into a national park, it's compulsory. You cannot miss the national park. For example, PP is 6 islands, and all 6 islands are national park. So if you have a PP tour, you will go to the national park. Same for James Bond. James Bond is in the Phang Nga National Park. That is 40 plus islands. You cannot miss it. So it's compulsory. You must pay it. Why we don't collect it is because it's a national park fee, meaning it's a government fee, and we cannot collect that fee.
And what happens, Shaun, if you go to PP and Phang Nga? Does your national
That will be
park
2
fee-
national park
What?
fees. Correct. So it's a national
Wowza.
park fee per area, and we do have a video that talks about national park fees and how much they are, and that is in the description below. Good note, Jay.
Is it? I think the lens has got some rain on it. Is it raining today?
A little bit.
Oh, right, good. How long does my tour last?
Well, good question. Being a private tour, timing is flexible, meaning that our guide can adjust the itinerary and timing to suit you on the day. Most of our guests are on board somewhere between 5 and 8 hours in total, with the maximum time on board being 8 hours.
There you go. What time should I expect to return to the pier, Shaun?
That's good. That depends on your pickup times. Now, each tour that you book with us will have a recommended pickup time sent to you in your confirmation email. For example, PP will have a recommended pickup time of 6:30 or 9:30, with 6:30 being the better time. The combined tour, the one you talked about before, PP and James Bond, that has recommended pickup times of 6:30 and 8. Similan, different recommendations. Bioluminescence, different recommendations. So check your confirmation email for the recommended time. With that said, they're only recommended. You can choose the time that suits you. So your return time will be based on the pickup time and your time on tour. All of this is customized with your guide on tour. Don't stress too much. Let the guide lead you and design the tour to suit you. With that said, if you have a booking after the tour, maybe you have dinner, you have a flight, you have a show, let your guide know so that they can build the tour to suit your next appointment. Jay's asleep. He hasn't got a next appointment.
It just says what time should I expect to return to the pier? Whenever you want. It's a private boat tour just before dark. Okay, thanks. Are transfers included?
Yes, they're included. We'll pick you up from your hotel, accommodation,
Why do you have to add so
Airbnb,
much?
and
Just
we'll
say
drop you
yes.
back.
Just say yes.
Go.
In Phuket. What about if I'm in Khao Lak?
Pick you up from Khao Lak as well.
Oh, right. Oh, did we?
Yep.
Oh, damn it. I lost the tour the other day because I said we didn't. What's your best departure time? Depends where you're going. What a stupid question that is.
Earliest, always the best time. We'll always send you 2 recommended times, and the first time's always the most recommended.
Is it?
Because it gets us out before the crowds.
Where is the 5-star Marine Pier, Shaun?
We're located here at Phuket Boat Lagoon, got Gale, and there is a Google map in the description.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Shaun, what is the tour itinerary?
With every booking, we give you a sample itinerary, but
Oh.
it is sample only, meaning
What sample?
meaning it's going to give you
Do
an
you mean
idea.
sample?
Yeah, same thing.
Okay.
Meaning that we're going to give you an idea of what you could do on the day, but once you get to the pier here,
Yes.
the guide will help to customize the itinerary to suit you. A strong recommendation, if you booked a tour with us, you should go watch the tour overview video with Jay and I talking through how the tour is designed.
Yes, we've done many of them.
Yes. For every tour we have a walkthrough video.
How long do we get for lunch, Shaun?
Again, it's flexible. Some people want to do a quick lunch and they bring a packed lunch on board. Some people want to do a restaurant lunch. Some people want to do it in a 2-hour lunch. Some people want to do a 30-minute lunch. It doesn't matter. Work it out with your guide on board.
It depends what you're doing and what you want to do. If you want to do lots of snorkeling, just have a packed lunch on the boat.
Some people, they want to do a boozy lunch. Some people, they want to do a quick lunch. Some people want to do a McDonald's. Some people want to do Thai. It's all up to you.
Who wants to do McDonald's?
All worked out with your guide
Who's doing
on board.
McDonald's?
I did McDonald's. I wouldn't mind.
What, on
that.
a boat tour?
Yeah, I'm quite hungry now.
Idiots. Sorry. No, you can't have McDonald's on a 5-star marine boat tour.
Of course you can.
I'm not happy about that. How much should we budget for lunch, Shaun? Well, if you get the McDonald's, quite like it's expensive McDonald's, you know that here.
So we always put a guide out. It's somewhere between 100 Thai baht and 700 Thai baht per dish, depending on what you order.
And what you want to eat. If you want lobster, it's going to be expensive.
Correct.
Tiger prawns are quite expensive.
But my guideline is this: if you've been in Phuket before you've come on this tour, just the same as what you've been paying in a restaurant on Phuket.
That's right. Shaun, how much? Oh no, I've already done that question, haven't I?
Oh, that's good.
Shaun, what if the weather's poor? Well, if the weather's poor, bring a little cloth so you can clean your lens like that. There you go.
We give weather updates 1 day prior to the tour.
That's right.
And that's going to tell you what we expect on the day.
And it's never poor in Thailand. Sunny every day.
At this time, when we send a weather update, you can choose to reschedule your tour.
What?
If we have availability, or
Okay.
cancel
What?
without charge.
What?
Now, on the day, if it's different to what we predicted, we will contact you again in the morning and give you another update about what we expect.
Wow.
As long as the tour is safe, we can operate, and the choice becomes yours as to whether you'd like to go or not.
Wow. Shaun's like John Ketley.
I don't even know who that is.
He's a weatherman, and so is Michael Fish.
I have been watching,
That's a great joke for those of you who are English. You'll understand that.
I have been watching a lot of John Cleese videos.
Have you? He's English. He's not. He's not a weatherman,
He has
though.
a great creative mind.
But he's not a weatherman.
We should do a whole class on that.
Here,
I
Shaun.
teach.
Here, Shaun. We're getting to the point that we had to do this now.
Yes.
All right. How do I make payment, Shaun?
Payment you can make in cash or card on the day. If you're going to do cash, we recommend Thai baht. We are not a licensed currency exchange, meaning if you bring USD, you will not get the same rate that you're going to get at a licensed currency exchange. So always best to exchange before you come here. So Thai baht. If you do credit card, we accept Amex, Mastercard, Visa card, Diners Club, JCB.
Diners Club?
Yeah.
JCB, that's a digger.
Yeah, we accept all these cards. There is a service charge
What?
on these cards. These are the bank fees we get charged. It is a 5% surcharge, and that is charged on the day here on the pier. As a note though, in your confirmation email will be a link to pay a deposit. There is a 30% deposit request. Please do make that payment, with final payment being on the day.
Excellent. And what is a cancellation policy? We've talked about that
We
already.
talked about that already.
Yeah, I know, but you answered it without the,
I'm in front. I'm in front of you.
No, you're not.
Aussies are always in front of Brits. We know
Really?
that. Yeah.
Not a break-in.
That's
Well, I don't know. Well done, Aussies.
Yeah,
Best
yeah.
breakdancing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, final question then, Shaun, and we can wrap this up. Should I tip, and how much should I tip?
Look, I feel really uncomfortable with this question. Because
Okay, I'll answer it. Yes! Don't be cheapskates. Oh, is that not the right answer?
Yeah, that's not the right answer.
Okay.
It's my company, they're my crew. I know that they come early, they work their asses off to make the tour as good as they can, and after you've gone home, they stay late and clean and get everything ready for you. So we would love you to tip them, but it's not compulsory. As a guide, we recommend about 1,000 baht as a guide to how to tip for a boat tour. With that said, I am an avid tipper. Wherever I go in Phuket, I will tip. So
Doesn't
it's
tip
part
me.
of what I do. I give you tips all the time.
Yeah, tips to be better about my life, not money tips.
They're working.
Yeah, they are.
More hands
All right,
every day.
thank you very much. Well, there you go, everyone.
If you missed a question or you have another question, you can comment below and we'll answer it. More than
do
that,
that
you
bit.
can WhatsApp us, you can email
I
us,
was
you
gonna
can
do that
call
bit.
us.
I was gonna
No
do
more
that bit.
carrier pigeons.
I was gonna do that bit.
Peter stepped in, we can't do that anymore.
I was going to do that bit. There you go, everyone. That's your questions answered frequently. See what I did there? I put it backwards.
It's not funny either way.
No?
No.
Like and subscribe, and if you've got any other questions, well, you've already done it, haven't you?
Yes.
All right. Thanks, then, Shaun. Say
Thanks,
goodbye.
guys. See you on tour.